Good day. Our topic today is car aircon conditioner. It's designed to keep the cabin cool and comfortable by removing heat and humidity from the air inside the vehicle. It is a cold system that uses refrigerant and several mechanical parts to circulate, compress, and cool the air. Here are the main parts and other function. Number 1. Compressor. Called the heart of the AC system. It compresses the refrigerant gas, low pressure, high pressure, and circulate in through the system. Number 2. Condenser. Work like a radiator located in front of engine radiator. It's cool the high pressure refrigerant gas coming from the compressor and change into the liquid by releasing heat to the outside air. Number 3. Receiver, dryer, or accumulator. Removes the moisture and filter out debris from the refrigerant. It stores liquid refrigerant temporarily and contains additives to prevent moisture damage. Number 4. Expansion valve or replace tube. Control the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator drops the pressure of the refrigerant, making it expand and turn cold before entering evaporator. Number 5. Evaporator. Located inside the cabin, often behind the dashboard. The cold refrigerant absorbs heat from the cabin air as a fan blow air through it, cooling the air before it enters the cars. It also removes humidity, moisture, condenses, and drain out under the car. Number 6. Blower fan. Pushes air through the evaporator and into the passenger compartment through vents. Allow the driver to control and airflow, speed, and direction. Number 7. Refrigerant. The works fluid that carries it circle between gas and liquid as it absorbs heat from the cabin and releasing it outside. Number 8. Hoses and lines. Carry refrigerant between components. High pressure and low pressure sites are separated to keep the circle working effectively. Summary of the cooling system. Pressurize refrigerant, condenser, cool it to liquid, receiver, dryer,